Both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will have 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays respectively. To be specific, the two phones are going to get 6.27-inch and 6.85-inch displays respectively. So far no iPhone has offered such a large display. Now that display sizes are increasing, iPhones are reportedly going to be taller and wider. The year 2024 has arrived, and even this year, the tech giant Apple has already informed about their next iPhone launch plan. The next iPhone or iPhone 16 series phones will be launched in September. Many new features will be provided in the new iPhone. From a new chipset to a dedicated button for capturing video, there have already been several speculations about the iPhone's upcoming features. Now again from another new report. The iPhone 16 series of phones will have a large display and a large battery. According to a report by Mac Rumors, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays respectively. To be specific, the two phones are going to get 6.27-inch and 6.85-inch displays respectively. So far no iPhone has offered such a large display. Now that display sizes are increasing, iPhones are reportedly going to be taller and wider. But where the size is increasing, Apple iPhones are also known to offer other components. Both the Pro and Pro Max models of the iPhone 16 series are going to get bigger and longer-lasting batteries than before. But the new iPhones are going to get more features besides display, bigger size, etc. It was known from several previous reports that the design of the iPhone 16 series phones is also changing slightly. The Pro models have a capture button, which makes the phone-like design a bit futuristic. Unlike regular buttons, the capture button doesn't physically move when you press it. Instead you get haptic feedback. Just touch the button and you will get a response. Having a force sensor makes it more tactile. According to reports, the capture button will make video recording from iPhone 16 series phones easier. Users can record video instantly by pressing the button. The whole process will be done very quickly. The capture button has already been seen on the prototype of the phone. So, if the viewer gets any benefit from watching this short video of today, then definitely subscribe to our channel and stay with us.